Hello everyone! We will explain the project-based learning English text. Before we start, let's introducing myself. My name is Laura Florencia Melanina Manik and my student ID number is 63251358.
My name is Octaviani. My student ID number 63251452.
And my name is Golden Syafianti WE. Student ID number 6322251549.
Okay, in here, me and my friend choose in part 1 is the topic show your opinion about the lecturer in Universitas BSI. My opinion about the rector in University BSI are some of the rector at BSI are really exciting. Some are even killer. But for now, I haven't found a killer rector in BSI. But there have maybe some rector at BSI who do not like to explain the lesson material in class or online. Sometimes that make us as students feel disappointed, especially if in online class lesson, some rector at BSc only give excitement directly without explaining the learning material for the course. But the rector at this BSc campus are very good and some of them are very exciting and fun.
Then my opinion about the lecturers at UBSI Keramat. I think that the lecturers here are very dedicated and professional. Most of the teach with passion and always try to make sure that students understand the lessons well. They not only focus on academic knowledge but also encourage us to develop soft skills, confidence, and creativity. Every lecturer has a different teaching style, but overall, I believe that the lecturers really care about the students to be successful.
So yeah, me too. Also want to share about my opinion about the lecture at Universitas BSI. I have had a really positive experience. I think our lecturers are great. They really know what they are talking about, especially when they share their real world experience, which is super useful. But the best part for me is how supportive they are. I feel comfortable asking questions and they always seem to have time to help us understand the material. I'm really grateful for their dedication. We are opinion topic about the lecture at University BSI. Thank you.
Okay, in part 2, we want to present and explain the topic. In here, we choose simple present and will be discussed by my friend Vivin.
Definition: the simple present tense or present simple is a tense in English used for 1. Daily habits or routines, 2. General facts of external truths, 3. Ongoing situation with stative verbs such as like or noun. Sentence is a collection of several words consisting of form subject, predicate, and object. Daily activities learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, student will be able to use the simple present tense to talk about daily routines and habits. Describe their own daily activities and those of other. Use time expression commonly used with the simple present tense. Function of simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express 1. Habits or routines. For example, things we do every day. 2. General facts of eternal truths. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. 3. Ongoing situation with stative verbs such as like or no. For example, I like my new English teacher.
Simple present tense formula. Verb 1 plus S or H is us only for third person singular subject he, she, it in positive sentence. Do is used for the subject I, you, they, and we. Does is used for the subject he, she, and it. To be is I'm, are. Is adjusted to the subject I am, he, she, it, is, you, they, we, are. Base verb. For the subject I, you, we, they. Base verb. A, G, it, go. For the subject he, she, it. Verb plus S or H. It goes. Positive subject plus verb 1 plus S or H plus complement. Negative. Do or does plus not plus base verb. Question. Do or does plus subject plus base verb. Habits and daily activities. This is the most common as we ask it to describe our routine or thing we do regularly. For example, 1. I go to the gym in the morning. 2. She works in the afternoon. 3. They study every night.
Permanent situation. We use it to describe situations that are true for a long time, like where you live or work. Example, he lives in New York. I am a student. She works at a big computer company. Now, words are adverb of frequency. We often use adverb of frequency with the simple present tense to say how often we do something, always or 100%, usually 90%, often 70%, sometimes 50%, rarely or seldom 10%, never 0%. Signal words are example. Where do they go? These adverbs usually go before the main verb. Example, Helen usually comes to the gym in the morning. I always drink coffee. They never work on weekends. In here, we also use parases like every day on Fridays at night. Example, I start work at 5. He goes to school every day.
Formula positive sentence. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or S plus object. The rule changes based on the subject. I, you, we, they plus verb 1. For example, I like tea. He, she, it plus verb 1 plus S or S. For example, he likes tea. Positive form example. I, you, we, they or use the base form of the verb. For example, I like my class. You study the violin. We go to the work New York School of Music. They work at a restaurant. He, she, it add S or S to the verb. For example, he works for a big company. She teaches an art class. It rains a lot in this city. Helen starts work at 5. Spelling rule at S. For most verb, just add S. Work, for example, works. Life, for example, lives. Come, for example, comes. Start, for example, starts. For verbs ending in vowel plus Y, just add S. Play, for example, plays. Stay, for example, stays. Buy, for example, buys. Enjoy, for example, enjoys.
Spelling add s for verb in ss, shares, chase, xo, finish, finishes, watch, watches, mix, mixes, go, goes, do, does. For verbs in consonant plus ye can change the ye to I and add s. Study, studies. Cry, cries. Try, tries. Fly, flies. The formula negative sentence. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object don't or do not for I, you, we, they. Doesn't, does not for he, she, it. Important. After the doesn't, the verb goes back to its base form verb 1, no s. No s. Negative for explain. Simple present tense negative subject plus don't plus or doesn't plus base verb. I don't like coffee. They don't play football every day. She doesn't go to school by bus.
The formula interrogative sentence. In here formula, we use do or does plus subject plus base verb plus object question. In example, in here, does he eat breakfast in the morning? Do we study on Sunday? The verb to be in here am is are is different. It does not to use do or does. But in here positive. This is like example. I am a student, or he is a teacher, or they are clever. In negative, I am not a student. He is not a teacher. In question, are you a student? Is he a teacher? Summary. Use simple present for facts, habits, and permanent situation. Then add s or es or ies to the verb for he, she, it in positive sentence. Then use don't and doesn't plus verb 1 for negative sentence. Use do and does plus verb 1 for question. Then the verb to be or am is are is a special case. Thank you for listening to our group and see you goodbye.